In this problem, we'll find an equation of a line. We'll find an equation of the line containing the points 1, 1, and 2, negative 2. We note that the line has an equation of the form y equals mx plus b. But we are not given either m or b. However, we are given enough information to find m and b. First of all, remember that m is the difference in the y coordinates of 2 points divided by the difference in the x coordinates of those points. So, m is negative 2 minus 1 over 2 minus 1. Subtracting y coordinates, subtracting x coordinates, and that gives me negative 3 over 1, or negative 3. So I can substitute negative 3 for m in the equation. Now I need to find b. Well, in order to find b, I need to think that the points 1, 1 and 2, negative 2 are going to make this equation true. They're on this line. So in particular, I can substitute 1 for x and 1 for y, and I should be able to then solve for b. Doing that, I have substituting 1 for y from here equals negative 3 times substituting 1 for x plus b. And I could have used this point as well, but the numbers 1, 1 are smaller and easier to work with. Solving for b, I have 1 equals negative 3 plus b. Adding 3 to both sides of the equation, I have 4 equals b. Now, since I know b is 4, I can substitute 4 for b in the equation y equals mx plus b, and I get y equals negative 3x plus 4. And this is an equation of the line that contains those 2 points.